Assalamualaikum. Today you are with me, Nurjaimah binti Jamal, as moderator to discuss topic of waste reduction, innovation in recycling and circular economy. Thank you to the panel's member who were able to attend the ceremony today. I am with the Ministry of the Environment, Professor and panel. Before I start more on this issue, do you know that there are many types of waste?
Waalaikumsalam. Thanks to the moderator. I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Adini Kami Kani. First, I know about the types of daily waste, solid waste, liquid waste, and gas waste. Solid waste is such as water, plastic, and papers. Liquid waste is waste, cooking oil, petrol oil, and others. Gas waste is the smoke emitted by factory, air conditioner, and a vehicle. Thanks.
It is nice to meet you, Environment Ministry Muhammad Adi. Thank you for introducing yourself and sharing your knowledge about different type of daily waste. Indeed, solid waste, liquid waste, and gas waste are significant categories, each with its own environmental implications. If you have any specific question or if there is anything else you would like to discuss or learn about waste management, environmental issues, or any other topic, feel free to let me know. I am here to help.
Before I add a little about the Minister of Nature point, which is Environment Minister Muhammad Adili, apart from the ways that has been shared earlier, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Haji Kazan bin Samuddin. There is also food waste and hazardous waste. Food waste is the daily waste that is thrown away by humans, and hazardous waste is a very dangerous and poisonous that is thrown away every day. For example, Fbkt water, plastic films, and medical liquid decided by Dr. Osman.
Thank you, Professor Haziq, for bringing up these circle points regarding waste management. The question about food waste and hazardous waste indeed broaden the spectrum of challenges we face in maintaining a sustainable environment. Okay, next, how do you think this issue is something that worries us today, domestic ministry Zikri?
Before I answer the question, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zikri Irfan bin Jampri. What I can find about what what I can find out about this issue, waste reduction has become a major concern in the face of increasing environmental challenges. As the world grapples with the consequence of excessive waste generation, there are several ways to reduce waste and with innovative approach in recycling and the use of the circular economy, we can provide a good solution.
Let's start our discussion on how have advancement in recycling technologies, specifically the use of artificial intelligence and robotics, enhance the efficient of waste sorting and processing. Can you all give an opinion about this method? Let's start with Environment Ministry Muhammad Adli first.
Okay, thank you for asking me. The development of recycling technology is one significant innovation in trash reduction. Although there have been difficulties with traditional recycling techniques, technology advancement have made it possible to save and treat material more effectively. Robotic and artificial intelligence are used in advanced sorting system to improve the efficiency and position of separate garbage from recyclables. This raises the pace of recycling overall and lower contamination, increasing the value of the recycled material. Thanks.
Of course, robotic and artificial intelligence are being used in recycling technologies to improve fresh sorting efficiency and precision. This improves recycling process speed, lowers contamination, and raises the value of recycled material. I would like to ask Professor Haziq the following question on how does the fashion business reduce waste by using recycled material in its products, and how does this affect the sector's environmental impact as a whole?
Thank you to moderator Jaima to asking me the question. Recycled material are one innovative industry approach. Businesses are using more and more recycled material in their goods, which is lower the need for virgin resources. For instance, the fashion sector is using recycled material and using plastic bottles to make an accessory and apparel. This approach lessens the fashion industry's environmental impact with simultaneously conserving resources. Additionally, extending the life of items using recycled components can lower overall product consumption. The amount of ideas product can be greatly reduced by moving toward a circular economy, in which goods are made to be both recyclable and reused. Additionally, it promotes change consumer behavior by prioritizing quality over quantity and listening the pressure from society to replace and update things on a regular basis.
I appreciate Professor Haziq sharing his insightful thoughts on the usage of recycled material and the transition to a circular economy. This strategy have the power to significantly alter consumer behavior as well as environmental sustainability. I would like to ask again to Domestic Ministry Zikri about what are some innovative practice adopted by business to minimize packaging waste, and how do this practice align with both environmental sustainability and economic benefits?
Thank you to moderator Jaima for asking me about some innovative practice adopted by businesses to minimize packaging waste and how do these practice align with both environmental sustainability and economic benefits. Like reducing packaging waste is yet another essential component of innovative recycling. Eco-friendly packaging options are being adopted by businesses to cut waste and encourage sustainability. Reusable packaging, biodegradable materials, and resources efficient minimalist design are some of these alternatives. This, this method not only cut down on waste but also appeal to customers who value brands that practice environmental responsibility. Furthermore, businesses profit monetarily from a decrease in packaging waste. It lowers transportation and packing costs, increasing the cost effectiveness of products for manufacturers and customers alike. This is consistent with the idea of sustainable business practice, which hold that prosperity and environmental responsibility can coexist to build a vibrant economy rather than being mutually exclusive.
Ministry Zikri, I appreciate you sharing your knowledge about the creative ways that companies are tackling packaging waste. The way that these methods connect economic gains with environmental sustainability is exciting. Please feel free to ask questions or offer your opinions on this topic, members. What part do companies play in fostering sustainability, and are there any other topic that you think can improve the state of the environment as well as the company, as well as the economy? In addition, what part do electric cars play in cutting emissions related to recycling transportation? And how do renewable energy sources like solar and wind power support the viability of recycling facility? Could the Minister of the Environment perhaps elaborate on the question?
Okay, thank you for the asking me again, Moderator Jaima. Renewable energy sources are integral to sustainable recycling process. Apa ni? Practice. Recycling facilities are increasingly powered by renewable energy such as solar and wind power to reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, electric vehicles are being employed for recycling transportation, further reducing emission associated with the collection and transportation of recyclables. By utilizing renewable energy recycling facilities can operate with significantly lower greenhouse gas emission, contributing to broader effort to combat climate change. The synergy between recycling and renewable energy amplify the amplify the interconnectedness of sustainability initiative and underscore the importance of adopting holistic approaches to environmental challenge. And
Minister Adli, I appreciate your emphasis on the use of renewable energy in recycling. It's an important step in lowering carbon emissions and demonstrating how sustainability activities are interrelated. In recycled transportation, the utilization of wind and solar energy combined with the electric car give a good model for other industries. Please feel free to mention any specific policy or future that you would like to draw attention to. Could Professor Haziq elaborate on fundamental of the circular economy and how it differs from the take-make dispose model? How do businesses build their product and supply chains with the circular economy in mind?
I appreciate moderator. It's true the circle economy is a revolutionary idea that is a genuine creation in sustainable practice. The circle economy, in contrast to the conventional linear model, emphasizes continuous resources utilization through recycling, dispersing, and reusing. The goal of the change is to reduce waste and encourage sustainability in a range of business. Business are adopting closed-loop supply chains and designing products with recyclability and when as a mean of advancing circle idea. That is a programmed support with the sustainability objective and addition to reduce waste. To learn more about this subject, we may talk about the potential and problem that come with adopting the circle economy or examine extent of its successful use.
I'm grateful Professor Haziq. Exciting opportunities including resources efficiency, waste reduction, economic opportunities, and innovation are present by the circular economy. Nevertheless, there are obstacles to implementation, including financial one. Cradle-to-cradle accreditations and projects for recycling textile and technological waste are examples of real-world trumps. Are there any instances of the circular economy that you will find particularly notable, Professor Haziq? Could you briefly describe the ways in which public involvement and education program aid in waste reduction and the reason that governments and organizations must take the lead in this regard, Minister Zikri?
Thank you, Moderator Jaimah, for asking me again about this question. Furthermore, waste reduction innovations extend beyond technology to educational initiative and public engagement. Raising awareness about the environmental impact of waste and promoting responsible consumer behavior are crucial components. Educational programs empower individuals to make informed choices, encouraging waste reduction at the sources. Government and organizations play a pivotal role in driving this initiative, implementing policies that incentive sustainable practice and penalize environmentally harmful behavior.
Thank you for sharing your thoughtful viewpoint on trust reduction in domestic ministry, Zikri. It is apparent that an all-encompassing strategy that incorporates both technology advancement and educational program is essential. In fact, encouraging ethical consumer behavior and raising awareness are essential to accomplish sustainability trust management. If you all do not have any question, we can end our conversation. So, in conclusion, waste reduction is at the forefront of environmental efforts and innovation in recycling and the adoption of circular economy principles are shaping a more sustainability future. Technological advancement coupled with the change in consumer behavior and supportive policy contribute to a holistic approach in tackling the global waste crisis. By embracing these innovations, societies can transition toward a more responsibility and environmentally conscious model, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. If you all do not have any question regarding this topic, I think we can end our discussion here. Thank you for spending your time.
Habis ya? Aku nak baca yang part aku balik boleh?